Hey, thanks for joining us today in the Spokane BBQ Company. My name is Randy Howell. Today we're going to be making smash butter burgers. You heard me right. This is going to be great. We got a couple pounds of ground beef. We're going to use some garlic butter with a little bit of pepper in it. Some Traeger Coffee Rub pepper, a little bit of salt. We're going to toss an egg in for good luck. You're going to love what we got going. Let's get to business. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to crack my egg. I'm going to get that in there. I'm going to take my coffee rub. And I'm not going to use all of it. I'm just going to put some in there, and if I need to add some later, I will. I'm going to do a little pepper. A little bit of salt. And then we're going to add our butter to this. Now I froze this butter and then I shaved it on like a cheese grater. But this is going to add moisture and flavor to this whole thing. So it's going to be good. You guarantee it. Alright, let's get this all mixed up. There we go. That's looking great. Alright, I'm going to portion these out into little balls, and then we're going to go over and we're going to cook them on the Black Stone today. Stick around. Alright, now that we got our burgers all portioned out, we're going to get them on the Black Stone and get to cooking. So I'm going to oil this up. I'm going to spread this out. That is good enough. Alright, so I'm going to take each one of these burgers and I'm going to just set them on here. And we're going to let those set for just a little bit. In a few minutes we're going to smash them down, and then I'm going to throw some onions on there and get those onions cooked up. It's going to be good. Alright, it's time to smash down our smash burgers. Let's get going. Alright, so we got a nice even flatness on all of our burgers. Right now we're getting that nice crust or sear, however you want to call it, going on the other side. In a few minutes we're going to flip these over and we're going to be good to go. Stick around. Alright, it's time to flip these burgers. Let's get them moving. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful sear on there. Alright, at this time, I'm going to get some onions going right now. Sound like a little cooked onion on my burger. Now these onions won't take long to cook, that's for sure. So we're just going to toss them around. I got a nice small dice on them. I like the small diced onions. They're great, flavorful, and they take no time to cook. Alright, we're going to give these a few minutes, and we're ready to cheese them up, bun them up, and eat them up. Stick around. Alright, these are ready for cheesing. Let's get these going. Oh, if you guys could smell this, we need smeller net. So you guys can smell what's happening here. This is unreal. Alright, so while these are getting going, I'm going to check my onions. These onions are nice and caramelized, beautiful look to them. These are ready to go, full of flavor. I'm excited, man. We're getting ready to eat. Alright folks, we're at the finish line. It's time to get to eating. I'm going to shut my griddle off as we are ready to rock and roll. Now I got my burgers here all ready to go. I'm going to set my condiments up, so I'm going to grab a little mayo. And I like my buns coast to coast, so don't let anybody ever tell you different. That's the way to do it, coast to coast. Alright. Drop some of these nice onions on there. I'm going to do a little bit of some shredded lettuce right on top of that. And I'm going to do a few of these tomatoes. They're small, but we can make it work. But that guy just doesn't want to stay on there, does he? And then what goes good with tomatoes? A little tomato ketchup. Yeah, just like that. Let's smash that burger down. And there you go. Butter burger, smash burger, whatever you want to call it. Let's take a bite and see what we got cooking. That is not your backyard barbecue burger, that is for sure. That is great. You got that flavor in that beef that we added from the rub. We got the rub that we put in there, the salt, the pepper. All those flavors are coming through. But you got those nice grilled onions on there. You got that melty cheese. Man, that is a burger to have, folks. I really appreciate you stopping by, watching my video. Please don't forget, if you like the video, subscribe, like, share with your friends. Let them know about it. It's awesome. And also don't forget to ring that notification bell. That way you know of all the cool recipes and videos that we come out with. Have a great day, and thanks again for joining us. We'll see you.